Are you making these beauty mistakes? Everything from baking in the sun to using harsh soaps or even consuming too much sugar and dairy can cause damage to our skin. And for most people, glowing, radiant skin isn't genetic, it's something they have to work at all the time. I always remind people that beauty is an inside job. 2 foods I love to keep skin radiant are omega-3 healthy fats and collagen. Collagen is a must for healthy skin. Collagen gives the skin strength and elasticity, making you look younger by decreasing the production of wrinkles and sagging skin. And omega-3 healthy fats in foods like olive oil and avocados can improve skin health as well. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that a daily intake of 1 avocado for 8 weeks improved firmness and elasticity of the forehead skin for 39 healthy women.